everyone, today, we're going to unbox LOKLiK iCraft. Let's see what's inside. First up, we have the star of the show, the LOKLiK iCraft itself. Let's take it out. A sheet of heat transfer vinyl and a standard grip cutting mat. An envelope that includes a quick start guide, a user manual, a brand card, and a warranty card, everything you need to get started quickly. Here are the power adapter and USB cable. A dual-tip black pen for drawing and writing. A weeding tool for detailed work. A pen housing and fine point blade housing, 2 fine point blades. Plus, a removable storage cup. Install the removable storage cup to keep your blades and tools organized. Isn't it beautiful and shiny? Place the installed blade housing into the machine. Want to know more about the LOKLiK iCraft? Let me know in the comments.